In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to Meta. By the end, you'll have the official Meta app installed in your Shopify store so you can set up features like Facebook and Instagram shopping and run ads more efficiently. Before we start, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin with the right permissions and that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. Begin on your Shopify admin home. From here, we'll navigate through the built-in path that takes us to the App Store. Look toward the lower left corner and open Settings. This is where Shopify keeps most of the tools that control how your store works behind the scenes. Inside Settings, find and select Apps. Depending on your admin layout, this section might show as Apps or Apps and Sales Channels. This area lists what's already installed and gives you access to discover new apps. Next, click Shopify App Store. This will open the App Marketplace in a new tab. If you're prompted to confirm your store, go ahead. This simply ensures the app you install gets added to the correct store. Once you're in the App Store, use the search bar and type Meta. You're looking for the official app from Meta, commonly shown as Facebook and Instagram by Meta. Choosing the official listing ensures you get the most reliable integration, ongoing updates, and the correct set of permissions. Open the Meta app listing to review details. Take a moment to read the description, check compatibility notes, and skim the permissions. This is important because the app will need access to things like your product catalog and tracking to function properly. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify will redirect you back to your admin to confirm app permissions. You'll see a summary of what the app can access and the actions it can perform. This step is normal for any app that connects your store data to external services. Click Install again to finalize. Shopify will process the request, and within a few seconds, the Meta app will appear in your Apps or Sales Channels list. From here, you'll be taken into the app's setup flow. It typically guides you to sign in with your Meta account and connect assets like your business, ad account, catalog, and pixel. If you manage multiple Meta accounts, it helps to log into the correct one in another browser tab before continuing, so the connection picks up the right profile. After installation, give product syncs a little time to complete, especially if you have a large catalog. That's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to Meta and ready for setup inside the app.